everyone. So here is a look at my most recent flip-flop journal. This is my first time making one of these, so it was absolutely fun. I had such a good time making it. It was such a great idea. I'm glad that I found the videos of people making them. So here's a look at mine. You have the front first pocket and you have a tag that pulls out. I added some beads there for the closure of that. Then I have the altered paper clip, and then it opens up, and I have a little bit of fabric with a pin, with a pearl pin, and then I did this stamp of a bird on a tea bag. Then I have a Polaroid inside of a pocket, and it opens up to a double fabric. I left this just here. I didn't want to make it too thick, so I decided just to leave that there with a little bit of a little lace, a lace piece. And then this opens up like that. You have this tag that I just made over the weekend. And here's a pocket, a fabric pocket. And then here's the first signature. We have some embossment with a lace pocket. We have a belly band. I call this like the closet. The signature is called the closet. My next flip-flop junk journal is definitely going to be themed around a shabby closet. I got a doily here. This is real wallpaper. I made this out of real wallpaper. And we have some lined paper for journaling with a little bit of fabric there. Another altered paper clip. Actually, that might be the same one. No, that was a different one. This is the second one that I did. And then in here we've got, I love this. This came out so cute. I love this wallpaper. It's really pretty. Got a button and some fabric. On the back, it's more of the embossed paper. I just added some little things here and there. I didn't want to make it too thick. And then that's the back. I don't know how this came undone, but it's supposed to flip like that. And this closes. It closes like that. Like that. And then we have the back signature. And this one I did fabric. I just bunched some papers together that just fit the aesthetic. And we have a tag here, butterfly cutout tag. Some old paper here that I got from one of the kits that I've got. Then I have a beach themed page here. This is dried pressed flowers. And a tag and a little, I love this little fabric swatch. And we have a belly band here. And I left this open. I left these pages open just to do whatever in them. Like I said, I was afraid to make it too thick. The first one, this is the first one I've done, and I was afraid to, I didn't secure it very well when I first made it, so some of the envelopes were ripping. So I think the next one I'm going to do, I'm definitely going to reinforce it a little bit better so I can make it a little bit thicker. So that's the back signature. And then we have the back pocket here. I just have a ledger there. And so that video ended abruptly. So you will notice that it's going to be a little bit different of a background and everything. The video for this book was actually a couple of months ago. I'm just trying to get all of my junk journals, all the flip throughs for my junk journals up. So actually this book is a book that I made probably, I think, 3 months ago. But I wanted to show it to you guys. But it ended with me showing you the last part of the pocket. So the last part of the pocket opens up like this. Isn't that pretty? Always remember, just breathe, dare to dream, imagine, bloom and grow. And then it closes up. And that was it for the journal. I was so happy with how this came out. I want to do another one. I want to do another flip-flop journal. I actually have another one that I did, which I can do another flip through on. I'm not finished with it yet. I've got a couple more pages, but this is another flip-flop journal. It's not made out of envelopes. It's actually more like a tall, skinny journal, not so much one that's made out of envelopes. But I'll do a flip through on this one next week when I'm finished it. So that's it, guys. So that's the video on my envelope flip-flop journal. I had so much fun making this. So yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't and leave a message below. I love chatting with you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.